Hi, so how you can design a biolink on mobile browser? No app installation required, no laptop, no worries. Okay, so simply you first select a template. There are lots of templates. So once you have the desired template ready, more than 50% task is done. Okay, so if you are not able to find the desired template, simply search with the keywords over here on the search bar. For example, pets. Okay, so once you will search, you will get related templates as well. Okay, so for this tutorial purpose, I will design or edit, customize this personal portfolio painter or artist, this one template, and customize it, and I'll make it ready. So simply you tap on it. Okay, so this is the edit page, or you can, from this you can customize it further. Make sure you are logged in. Okay, you create account and logged in, so you save the progress time to time, and at the end, at the very end, you publish it. Okay, you will have the button over here. Now this is the preview of our, actually, this portfolio, personal portfolio link in means biolink website. Okay, this is not full website, though we can create a full website here also, I'll show you, but this is mainly one page, single page biolink website. So now how you can use it and for whom, this video is for all. Okay, even if you are a personal student or fresher, or just you are even professionals, freelancer, designers, okay, corporates, for everybody this video is very helpful. Okay, so you can customize and edit everything, starting from this logo, then text, okay, these images, then this button text, okay, button links, you have these button links. Okay, and will make, okay, because once someone click, it should be redirected or landed. Okay, so that the link should be there. Now even these small icons over here, that also you can change it. Okay, everything fully customizable, and these social media links also, you can add your own links. Okay, so now let me tell you that down over here you will have some bar that is functions. Okay, to use these tools. Okay, so first you have the preview, then templates. Okay, next content, background, logo, style, settings. So one by one I'll tell you, but first we need this content. Okay, this tab, we'll use this content tab over here now. Okay, so already we are in preview mode, so once you will tap on this content button over here, you can edit. Okay, so for example, my portfolio, you change it with what I do. Okay, what I do. Okay, so now if you come to this preview, you can see it has been changed with what I do. So now we have the logo over here, you see. So how you can change it? Again, you come to content, click on back. Okay, so now you have this logo, you click on logo option over here. So if you select none, okay, you can see logo has been deleted. Again, you come to tab, this is the logo, you click on this logo. Okay, so now you can reduce and increase or decrease size also. Okay, so this is the reduced, you can see the logo size has been reduced. Okay, and if you want, you can increase also. Okay, in this way you increase. Now you can see the changes. Okay, live you can see everything, you can do it. Now for example, you want to use this one, second type, you can choose this one, second logo. This is the third more type, you can use that one. Okay, style, for the logo style, this is the fourth one. So anything you want, you can select it and customize it further. So this is how it works. Now the logo part is done. Now one more important thing, if you want to upload your own logo, okay, custom logo, so you can upload it from here also. For that, okay, you should be the logo should be ready. Okay, you can create, you can use any free tool over on Google. You can search it for the logo creation now, but I actually prefer these services over here just for 5 USD. Not only logo, any service for personal, business, or any professional purposes, you can use them, you can hire them. Lots of experts actually are there. Okay, for any kind of like logo, mockups, web design, app development, your personal training, teaching, guidance, business, okay, whatever. Okay, go high levels, everything. Okay, music, video, whatever, you can hire them. Just send message for free, chat with them, unlimited chat you can do. Okay, no, hiring is not mandatory. Okay, now so in this case, this is logo. Once you have the ready, you can upload. Okay, this logo over here you can upload, right? And all the resources links will be there in the description, so you follow it. Okay, that is important. You should watch this tutorial. So now this logo part is done. You can change the color also. Okay, so we have now, as of now, we have color, and this transparent color we have now. So come to this content part again, to the logo. Okay, we have this background color over here. Okay, you select with any color means you want. So I have, you can see I have added new color. Okay, so it has been changed, but I want white only. So you come to this. So logo size has been increased. Okay, so you can see this is how it looks, but I want transparent one. Okay, so I'll select the earlier one. I think it was white only. Okay, so transparent, this one I think transparent. So you can see it looks like this, right? So again, let me mark the part I have used. So this is a logo part. Over here you have this logo size. Okay, this is the logo size, and this is the background color I have used. Okay, and once you will click background, you have the transparent option over here. This is a transparent option. Okay, so click on done. Logo part is done. Text also I have showed you. Okay, so in this text, few things here. You have titles, headings, paragraphs, buttons over here. Okay, so this is the first option. Sorry, yeah, this is actually this is actually the first option. You can use if it is heading. Okay, you can use it heading or paragraph. Okay, you can do so one by one. Okay, buttons, titles. So now you have these fonts. Okay, for example, this is right now Roboto. If you want to use Roboto, okay, you use the Roboto font. Okay, and you have three variants: classic, okay, modern, and unique. Okay, means they have classified all the fonts into three categories. Okay, so this is actually for example what I do. Okay, I have selected this font, Amatic SC. Okay, this one. So this is how it looks, Amatic SC. Passivo font, if you want to use Passivo, settings again, and this is actually the Passivo font. Okay, you come to this. Okay, so you can see, right? So this is how it looks. So you can change it. Now you have the text size, you can increase and decrease. Then you have this A over here, means color, text color, and then you have this bold. If you want, you can bold or unbold. Okay, this is actually Control B. Okay, then italics you have, and then underline. Okay, so you can see all this. So you should save the progress, then only it will be visible. Okay, now all these things you can align it if you want. Then style, you have this background color. If you want, you can change the background color also. Click on done. Okay, so you can see the background color. So I don't want any background color. I will simply use this transparent. Okay, white one. Let me see this. Okay, so content, and then text, background, no, so transparent. Okay, transparent background. Yeah, so this is how. So next, let me just go back. So logo part is done, then first text done, image gallery. So now image gallery is important. Now we are customizing this part. Okay, over here, image gallery. So come to this content, you have images, you can upload it. You should add image title as well for easy search console, actually search engine optimization purpose. Okay, SEO purpose. Even if you want, you can delete it. Okay, you can add new images from here, you can delete it from here. Okay, so for example, this is for example nature. Okay, you add this one with the name, and then style, you have carousels. If you want, you can make them as carousel. You can see it will look like this. Okay, with carousel format. Now if you want this one grid, you can use it as grid. Okay, so next you have full width. If you want, you can make it as full width. So you can see they are in you whatever margin was there, it has gone, okay, from here. So full width is better always. Now next part, you have general link. Okay, so one general link I'll show you now, very important part, general link. So creative portfolio, for example, you have the creative portfolio on your Behance. So you add your Behance portfolio link, for example, Behance, and you have your Behance link is beh25.com, for example, I'm telling. Okay, so this is the link, you can add this. And also you have this three options over here: link, open design, and then page. Okay, so you can add this, you can use it as link. This is a link. And open design, if you want, you can use means design, you upload your design and add media, so that it will open the design over here. And page, okay, this is a page, what kind means which page you want to add, you can add it. Okay, so better it should be link. Okay, now this part is done, link. Okay, so next divider option over here. So similarly all these general link will work. Now for the divider, you have some options here, padding 10 and thin line. For example, you want thick line, okay, you add, you can see one thick line has been added. If you want a divider over here, okay, you can increase or decrease the size also. Okay, if you want, you can make it none. Background color also similarly. Now social links, very important. You should add your social media portfolio links like Facebook, then YouTube, Twitter, then Behance. For the artist, okay, Patreon, means for specific professions there will be some specific social media links, you can add them, customize. You can add new links also from here. You have add items, simply tap on this button, you can add new links, and you have the icons over here. Okay, so you can select lots of icons are there, you can select any one for on any one out of them. For example, we have this one, okay, Twitter. We want to use Pinterest, for example, Pinterest. So you tap on this Pinterest and use enter your Pinterest links. Okay, then save this. Now you have display style, all are now in circular. Okay, this is how it looks. If you want, you can change the style also. Okay, so you can see because I have selected none. Okay, so now if you want square, you can give them as square. Okay, and if you want, you can select circle. Now title style, you have again lots of style actually, from this you can select. Okay, and then fill color and all these are color, you can change it. So this part is done, content. Now templates, you can change the templates, you can use any template you want. Just you tap on this load more, it will be, you will find more templates. Now if you want to get templates from different categories, so simply tap on this categories option over here. You will have this category section, you tap on it, so that you will find lots of templates on these suitable categories. Okay, for example, lifestyle, cleaning, furniture, sport, blog, okay, interior design, then podcast, yoga. You can select the templates from that particular industry. Okay, for example, yoga. So if you tap on that, you will find templates related to that industry. Okay, and you can use them. Now background, so we have this background now. So far I have explained all these things like logo updation, then text, okay, then links, buttons, everything, images, gallery, social media, everything I have told you. Now I'll explain this background option over. Okay, there are few more things, important things, just watch this till the end, it will definitely help. Okay, so now this background we have white. Okay, now if you want, we can use a different one. Okay, so you tap on it, your background will change. Okay, so now next part is you can add media also. Okay, from here we have this background color over here, no, this one. Okay, so if you want, you can select a different background color. You can see the background color will change. Okay, so we have this option over here. Now you can add media also. I don't want to add. Then shapes we have, if you select plus, you can select colors also. Now these are actually some beautiful this one, you can say icons, or these are actually some in this, if you want, you can use the icons over here. Okay, we have lots of icons, or you can say some objects. Okay, you can use them. So now this part is done. Okay, lots of actually are there. You can always search and you can get your own. So logo part I already told you how you can change and how you can edit it, but here you will get a little extra additional options. Okay, so you have the logo preview. You can switch the templates from this, then logo colors, then supporting text. Okay, you have supporting text too, and then logo text. Okay, from here you can even change the color also. Okay, this part is done. Now style and settings, very important. Okay, so almost done. Just you see, just watch the rest of the part. So now button style. Okay, so this we have button like this. So if you want to get a different button, for example this circular button, you tap on it, so that you will get different kinds of button. You can see button style has been changed. Okay, so with a little bit adjustment or tweaks, you can create a better design. Okay, you can create always better than us. Okay, so this is how the button style works. Now text styles, we have title, headings, paragraphs, and buttons. Okay, so we have in titles we used layer 2. Okay, so for example you want to use this one, telex. Okay, so once you will tap, you will see our text font will change. Okay, in this way it will change. Okay, then we have the headings over here, you can change it. Then we have this paragraphs option over here. Okay, then again you also have the buttons. Okay, so everything, the text you can always edit or change. Okay, for the buttons you can increase the size, increase or decrease, letter spacing, line height, style. Okay, everything you can change it. For example this one also, size, letter spacing, line height. Okay, you can customize it further. Okay, so this is how it works in style tab. Now settings, you can add your site icon, which is actually favicon. So site icon actually, once you will open this on desktop or laptop, you will find some site icon. Okay, so I'm not able to show you on mobile, but once that site icon, actually once you open now tab, you find some icons. Okay, website. So that icon you can set your logo. Okay, logo means a particular part of logo, you can upload it and use it as site icon, right? Next you have the integrations. You can add your Google Analytics GA4 measurement ID, and you can save it so that you can measure the traffic, visitors, everything. Okay, you can track them and you will get lots of actually data. Now socials, here you can add social media icons or the social media handle size, and then title, description. Okay, and cookie collection, if you want, you can enable them or disable. Okay, so this is how you can customize it further. So once it is ready, you should publish it at the very end. Okay, you should publish it. Now for whom this kind of let me change this one. Yes, so now for whom this kind of biolink website is required. Okay, so let me tell you clearly. So for example, you are a student. Okay, you want to share your useful links, not only students, for business owners or freelancers or professionals. Okay, they want to display their links. Okay, useful links, 4-5 links, and plus their works. Okay, on a single page website on mobile responsive. Okay, that you can use it for that purpose. You can use it, and for that you don't need any domain or hostings. Okay, so because your link will be live for lifetime. Okay, so in this case actually this is mainly suitable for to display or showcase your work. Okay, you can display your work or useful links. Okay, from a single page. Okay, so this is helpful for anyone. Okay, for example, for business owners, okay, for professionals, okay, for like doctors, chemists, mechanics, okay, lawyers, for them also. Then if you are, you are working in a corporate, okay, you can use it as you can say a portfolio. Okay, portfolio. Okay, and for students also, you can add your own resume link over here, what you do. So it will help you to, increase the image of your own, means personal and business image. Okay, so this is how you can use it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and you can always use the link in the description. I will add it, and you can hire these experts. Okay, and till then you should watch our remaining videos on web design, graphics, and Canva, Photoshop. Okay, lots of tutorials we have already published. Till then, take care and bye bye. Please give a like.